acid reflux and our teeth. How does acid reflux affects our teeth, affects our enamel? Is there a link between a poor oral health and acid reflux? Can acid reflux actually cause cavities? Can it cause gum disease, or eventually can it cause loss of tooth? Is what we are going to look in this video. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental center since the year 2001. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. We've got more than 300 videos coming out in the period of next 1 year. Stomach acids are produced. All of us in our stomach produce acids which are important for digestion of the food that we eat. These acid reflux can be in the milder form or it can be in the severe form. In the milder form, especially after a heavy meal, we might have some indigestion, we might have stomach bloating. So these acids can move up through our food pipe to the throat and to the mouth and cause an acid reflux. So in its milder form, probably the symptoms are very transient in nature. Some bad taste in the mouth, some ulcers, some little bit of erosive wear on the enamel can happen. But sometimes when acid reflux happens in the severe form, which is typically called gastroesophageal reflux disease, then it happens on a very regular, it's a regular happening. So every time we have our food, there is an acid reflux. Because of this acid reflux, there is constant irritation of our mouth by the stomach acids. So this can cause a major harm, not only to our tooth but also to the gums and all the structures that are there in the mouth. Because usually when it happens, when it happens in the milder form, our saliva is very alkaline in nature. So this saliva will neutralize the acid that is coming up from the stomach. So over a period of time, it sort of balances out. But when it happens over a long period of time, then our mouth can also become dry, saliva flow can get reduced, and acid reflux, the acid from the mouth because of the reflux can cause more harm to our teeth and to the gums. What kind of harms can happen? One, our teeth can have erosive wear. Our teeth can look very, very glazed and polished, like it's been completely worn out by acids. We are more prone to get cavities. Our gums can get inflamed. There can be frequent mouth ulcers. So these are some of the commonest problems that happen. Left unattended, left untreated, eventually it can cause tooth loosening and loss of teeth, is what eventually it can happen. So what needs to be done? And is there any patterns to it? See, this GERD or acid reflux can usually get worsened at night, because when we lie down, there is more amount of regurgitation of the stomach acids to the mouth, and actually it can worsen at night. What needs to be done? From two elements. One, what needs to be done to take care of the acid reflux, where you might have to go meet a gastroenterologist, check what needs to be done, take medication to ensure that we control the amount of acids that's produced in our stomach, and that will help. That is one aspect. The second aspect is harmful effect of the teeth through the acids. How do we do it? Of course, more frequent visit to the dentist, ensure that our teeth are well taken care of. Any cleaning that needs to be any protective covering for the enamel that needs to be done can be done. Any initial decay that is there can be addressed earlier. Of course, a fluoride application can be done on the tooth, which will make the tooth more resistant to this acid wear, make the tooth more stronger. And of course, it's always very important to maintain the gum health over a long period of time. If there are any other questions, please do ask us. Do comment in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye-bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.